You love your daddy? Oh my. He never does that to me anymore.
No. Is it nice and soft? Perfect. That's exactly what I'm going for.
Are you laying with your daddy? Are you laying with your daddy? Joey, rub her belly.
Are you serious?
What? You don't like it? Go sleep on the couch.
Are you comfortable?
Sitting by the door. And I was like, what the fuck is this?
Mari, can you give me my husband back? Okay, okay. Don't look at your mom like that. Just because you're beside your dad. See?
Okay. Okay.
Where's your dad?